Superman, the world's greatest hero, tireless champion dedicated to protecting life and battling injustice, not only in his city of Metropolis, but all over his adopted world and across the universe. With his fantastic powers and abilities, fueled with his alien cells, which hyper efficiently process the solar energy of Earth's yellow sun, Superman is an unstoppable force for good and steadfast punisher of evil. Superman is the founding member of the Justice Society and an inspiration to countless other heroes, continuing into the 31st century and beyond. Yep, folks. So we have another Superman here. This one is Superman of Earth-2. And I picked him up a couple of months ago. I do not have the box for it anymore. I had the box. It does include one of four pieces that, when combined with the rest of the Crisis of Infinite Earths, it will build a line and assemble the monitor. But I don't know where the box is right now. But nonetheless, we do have Superman right here, standing tall, looking good, looking strong. Right off the bat, you can tell, you can see the face sculpt. It looks great. You can tell that this is a little bit of an older Superman or version of Superman. You see a little bit of gray hair there going to the back. Still has a curl. Pretty tough, stern look on his face. I love the retro um, outfit that he has on right now. You can see that there. It does also come with an extra set of hands. Flying hands currently have the fist on him. And then also this trading card here with some information on the back, basically the stuff that I just read to you. As you can see, it has the big S on the back of the cape, which I love. That looks great. Has the soft goods cape. And he is standing tall. It does also include the standard DC logo stand with one peg hole that goes into either the left or right foot. And we have him. He stands about roughly about 7 inches tall, and he has a lot of articulation points. Probably will not go into that. You guys have all seen that before. His arms bend, knees bend. You can pose them in many different ways. The ab crunch thing. But I like to just display them pretty much like this. I do have a flight stand as well that was not included, but sometimes I will put him on this flight stand. Maybe we'll do a couple of shots as that as well. A couple of shots of that as well. But just giving you a quick glimpse. Has the retro logo on his chest, yellow belt, red trunks, and obviously the classic red boots. Again, the red cape, big S logo on the back. Kind of zoom in there a little bit. Looks pretty strong there. All right. Pretty tough look on his face. He's Superman. He means business. But yeah, I like this one. Like I said, I picked it up a few months ago, added it to the collection, took them out the box. I have the box somewhere. Not exactly sure where it is. It could be in a closet somewhere. I generally do not throw the boxes away because a lot of times it will still have some accessories in there, even if I do not use them. I'll keep them in the original packaging, the original box and packaging. But we're just doing a little 360 view, high level. Superman is standing tall, looks good, looks strong, shoulders back, chest out. Look like he is ready to fight crime. As you can see, the extra set of hands down there. When I had them displayed on the flight stand, I did have them with the open hands, the flying hands. And then when I put them on this base, thought he would look better with the fist. And in this particular pose, got the cape, looks like a little draft of wind is blowing the cape off to the side. Why does this look so good? I mean, it's just the right color. One thing I just noticed is that his belt, although it's yellow, it does not seem like it's yellow all the way around under the cape. You see that? Okay, just notice that. But you can see obviously in the front it is yellow with the red trunks. Legs look strong, feet planted on the base. Retro S on the chest. Just kind of zoom in there a little bit. See the way the cape is kind of tucked into his suit there. All right, let's see. See his eyes at the curl. A little bit of gray hair there on the side. Grayish blue, bluish gray, I should say. Like I said, it does come with one trading card. Superman of Earth-2. Crisis on Infinite Earths. And this is just a quick 360 high level review for those that are thinking about getting this particular figure. I'm not sure if it's still available. I'm pretty sure you can find it somewhere, perhaps on Amazon or eBay. But if you're thinking about it, you can kind of get a closer look right here. See what you're getting into. Certainly glad that I picked this one up. I really like it a lot. And in the meantime, we'll wrap this portion up and I'll try to get them on the flight stand and maybe finish out with that. All right, folks, got them on the flight stand. Just give a quick 360 view here. Looks good. Cape spread out. Have the flying hands on them. And I think that's a pretty good pose. I had them similar to this on the shelf. I may leave them like this for now, stick them back on the shelf. But just to give you an idea of what it looks like, obviously there are several ways that you can, positions that you can put them in. And that is about it right there. Looks good.